wanted to make a video to show you how I make my colored craft stick pen. You can see here I start with colored craft sticks that I get from Amazon. I laminate them together with Titebond 2 wood glue. Once all the sticks are glued, I stack them together, making sure that they are nice and straight and uniform as possible. I then take my clamps and clamp them down and give the glue plenty of time to dry. Once the glue is dried and they're out of their clamps, I take a previously cut blank and I trace it onto the colored craft stick blank. It gives me a reference for my cutting. Now I head over to my little baby Ryobi bandsaw and I cut along the reference lines in order to make my blanks. Who knows, maybe one day I'll get a grown-up saw. The next step is marking the center of each blank. I take it over to my drill press and drill a hole through the center of the blank. Now I'm spreading CA glue on the tubes and inserting them into the hole I just drilled. You can see here that I'm using a jig I made to keep the blank square to the sanding disc. I sand the blank down until I reach the tube. Now it's ready to mount to the lathe. I use carbide cutters to turn the blanks down and shape them to their desired size. I apply 2 coats of thin CA glue in order to seal up the wood, then anywhere from 6 to 8 coats of medium CA glue and spray accelerator between each coat to quickly harden the glue. Next, I sand the CA coating starting with 220 grit. Then I go to 320, 400, and 600 grit. I then wet sand starting at 1500 grit and finish with 12,000 grit. I usually apply a little polish to it at the end and just adds a little extra touch and shine. Now it is time to assemble. I get my pen kit and take out all the pieces and lay them out. I have an instruction sheet that tells me in what order to assemble it. I take my pen press and press the appropriate pieces in and then put it all together. I tried to speed up this video so it wouldn't take so long, but man, this last clip, you just can't speed up that beauty shot. Look at those colors and that shine. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch it.